Well, it was a different type of excitement surrounding the first day of school in another local school district. Just 4 months ago, you may recall, the city of Mena was hit by a devastating tornado. As 4029's Tess Mawney learned, students are now having to adjust to heading to class in some unusual circumstances.
You know, there is the saying that through adversity you become stronger, and I believe that all the people in Mena have become stronger, but especially the students at Mena Public Schools.
It's the first day of school in Mena, and the halls of the Mena Middle School remain empty. That's because last April a tornado ripped through the school, destroying parts of the building.
We have demolished the auditorium and the cafeteria because they were hazards.
And for the time being, it's also demolished the traditional layout of the Mena School District.
If the tornado had not have happened, I'm sure the 6th grade would have remained with the middle school.
But this year, 6th graders are staying put, going to class in portable buildings like these, while 7th and 8th graders are being bused 12 miles down the road to the Hatfield campus.
It is a little different, and we're real excited about it.
The story, though, is a little different across town, where the rest of the middle school students are resuming classes in Hatfield.
The 8th graders, of course, were there last year as 7th graders. 7th grade, it was new for them because they were the ones that had been at the church last year.
A transition, the principal says, was difficult for everyone at the time.
Last year, I'm not going to lie to you, we had some rough spots, and a lot of the kids missed their school.
This year, though, the mood has lifted and memories of the storm have started to fade.
As soon as the kids got off the bus, they felt like everything was okay because it was back to normal.
We worked very hard to try to make this school look like the old middle school inside. We're looking forward to the year. We're going to have a great year.
In Mena, I'm Tess Mawney, 4029 News.
And Mena Public Schools are in the process of building a new high school. Construction should be complete in about 2 years. Once that happens, another change, middle school students will be moved to the old high school.